In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear anonymous in Google Docs. Before we start, there are two important conditions that have to be true. First, the document owner must allow access via a shareable link. Second, you must not be signed into a Google account while opening that link. The easiest way to ensure that is by using an incognito or private browsing window. If either of these pieces is missing, you won't show up as anonymous. Begin on the owner's side by asking for the right sharing access. They'll need to click the share button in the top right corner of the Google Doc. Under general access, they should change the setting to anyone with the link. Then they should choose the permission level. If you need to make changes while staying anonymous, they should select editor. If you only need to read the document viewer is fine. This change removes the sign-in requirement and is what allows you to appear without your name attached. Once the sharing is set, open the link in an incognito or private window. In Chrome on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. You can also open a private window in most browsers using a similar shortcut or by choosing the private browsing option from the menu. With the incognito window open, paste the Google Docs link and press enter. Using incognito keeps your existing Google account session out of the picture so the document won't tie your activity to your profile. After the document loads, you can view or edit depending on the permission the owner chose. You'll notice that your presence is labeled with a playful anonymous animal, like anonymous tiger or anonymous penguin. That label is generated automatically by Google and replaces your real name and avatar. To others in the document, you'll appear as an anonymous user with that random animal badge, and your cursor and comments will reflect the same anonymous status. This is exactly what you want if you're trying to collaborate or review content without revealing your identity. A quick recap: make sure the owner sets the document to anyone with the link and gives you the appropriate permission. Then always open the link in an incognito or private window before accessing it. That combination is what makes you appear anonymous in Google Docs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.